Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Plus. This is Shiva from Tech Icon Plus, and today we are going to unbox Resonate router UPS. I ordered this UPS router from Amazon, so let's unpack and see the router quality. So I got this product Prime delivery, so I ordered yesterday at 8 o'clock, and today I received in the morning at 7:38 a.m. in the morning. So it's the fastest delivery I see ever. So here we go. We have a Resonate router UPS, uninterrupted Wi-Fi, backup up to 4 hours. It's very lightweight and intelligent charging. Nowadays, a lot of people are doing work from home. So I search for the UPS which helps for PC and the router, but the PC UPS are giving only backup up to 15 minutes. So I search for the router UPS. So I finally got this router UPS which gives a 4 hours backup. So installation of this UPS is also very easy. As you can see on the box, only two cables are there. One is for router and one is for the power supply. This also used for CCTVs, intercoms and set-top box. All the devices which supports the output up to 12 volts, we can use this UPS. All the devices. So let's unbox this router UPS and see. So here we have a UPS. We'll check it for later. We have some papers here. Setup instructions and the package content, all these things are mentioned here. It can be used for, as we discussed, it can be used for set-top box, intercom, CCTV, ONT, OLT, all these devices. So let's see what else we got in this box. We have some cables. So we got 3 different kind of cables. So no adapter in this box, so we have to use the adapter which we get for routers. So input voltage of this UPS is 12 voltage and output is 12 volts DC. Capacity is 22.2 watts WH. You can hang it to the nail also. We have input output ports here and on off switch. That's all. So very small. Let's check and see how it works. Connect to the router. By connecting to the router, we'll see how it works. I'm using my eyeball router, dual band icon router. Eyeball router, and this is an adapter here, so I will connect it later. First we'll see how it connects. I will check for the suitable cables. My router doesn't support that cable, and yep. So we have 2 types of combinations here. One is a small pin, is used for different some other routers, I think so, but for me this one works. Okay, let's connect this to the router. So here the router input. I'm connecting it to the UPS output, and I'm oning the power. Now you can see the LED indicator here. So here we go. Router starts. So we can see now router boots, and we have only 2 cables. No, sorry, only 1 cable. I have not connected the input and not even LAN, because my cable is some other place, so I'm unable to connect that. So just with the simple this UPS we can connect. So now I will connect the input to the UPS. I'm not sure how much power left in this UPS. So now I will connect. Luckily I have a same port which sets for this UPS. But even if we have a small cable like the cable I will show here, if you have such kind of cables also we can connect. We got this connector. So if you have this kind of adapter cable, just connect this to this connector and we can use to connect here. So now I have a same pin, so I'm connecting that. Here I go. So I will use my extension box to connect this. Now you can see the color changes. If I power off my extension box, if I remove the input, the power goes to green. If power comes back, then it again turns to red. No matters how many times the power interrupts, but it is not affecting our router. As we see, a number of times, even I tried a number of times, no matters, it will not affect my router power. So unless the backup finish inside this UPS. So MRP on this box is 2911, but I purchased this product from Amazon. I got it for 2299. So I think it's a reasonable price for this. So that's it guys, this is our first face-to-face video. Please do subscribe our channel. If you like, please share and comment. Thank you guys.